Freshdesk and Zendesk are two of the most prominent help desk software out there. But to stay on the top of their game, both solutions are continuing to develop and update their products, features, and UI constantly. In this video, we are going to compare how Freshdesk and Zendesk have improved since our last review. We are going to compare those systems according to the following list: user interface, feature sets, pricings, integrations, and pros and cons. Want to see our comparison videos first? Subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos, help desk systems news, and useful guides. User interface. Freshdesk's interface has just slightly changed. After login, you see a dashboard with several categories. In the right corner of your dashboard, you have a button New where you can create a new ticket, email, contact, or company. Plus, next to search, Freshdesk has added an icon to access notifications more quickly. There you can access the user profile and add or edit your profile settings. On the left sidebar, you have your work area, tickets, contacts and companies, solutions, chatbots, reports, settings, and analytics. Zendesk brags about more changes to its UI than Freshdesk. Apart from the user icon, you can see new icons for conversations and notifications in the right corner. The dashboard view hasn't changed. All tickets with the subject, requester, requester updated, group, and assignee are right at your hands. But now you can access customers and organizations along with views, reporting, admin, and Zendesk apps from the left sidebar. Zendesk continues to add more capabilities to its interface to enhance the work, while Freshdesk sticks to the UI that performs well. Features. Over the past couple of months, Freshdesk and Zendesk have updated their capabilities several times. Freshdesk has added such features as a custom email server, custom ticket views, ticket fields and status, customer fields, custom SSL, and team collaboration to its basic feature set. Zendesk has included customer details and reporting dashboards. Right now, both platforms share similar capabilities like email and social ticketing, business hours, pre-built knowledge base, and SLA management. As for automation, Freshdesk uses time and event-based triggers to automate escalations, follow-ups, and other tasks. For a similar task, Zendesk has business rules aimed to initiate workflows triggered by time-based conditions and ticket changes. With Freshdesk, you can receive helpdesk reports to view metrics associated with your helpdesk account. However, Zendesk has separate reporting and performance dashboards that can give you more information. To avoid duplicates, Freshdesk offers collision detection that allows you to know when another agent replies or views a ticket. However, the platform lacks such a Zendesk feature as automatic reduction and customer satisfaction survey. Automatic redaction is built to remove credit card numbers from comments, incoming tickets, and custom fields. Apart from the support desk, Freshdesk provides such products as an omnitional suite, messaging, contact center, and customer success. As for Zendesk, it offers the Sunshine platform, separate solutions for sales and service. Pricing. Freshdesk has changed their pricing offerings, and now it has 4 along with the free plan. Plus, you can install the platform as an omni-channel. As for Zendesk, the platform has now only 3 pricing tiers: Support Team, Support Professional, and Support Enterprise. Let's compare how much Freshdesk as a support desk and Zendesk support will cost for a company with 20 agents. Zendesk support team costs more than Freshdesk's growth. Plus, such features as SLA management and business hours are available in all Freshdesk plans, while Zendesk has this option on the higher price plans. Freshdesk Pro and Zendesk Support Professional plans have the same price. The feature set is pretty similar. However, Zendesk offers private custom apps and integrations. Freshdesk Enterprise is cheaper than Zendesk Support Enterprise. But you need to install Freddy AI to enable such features as Email Bot, Assist Bot, Auto Triage, Robo Assist, and Canned Response Suggester. Several features such as analytics, iOS, and Android apps are available on all Zendesk plans. As for Freshdesk, you need to buy Field Service Management for an extra fee. If you need more robust features, then Zendesk for Service may suit you more, but it has a higher price than Freshdesk. So Freshdesk is still cheaper than Zendesk. However, both platforms offer free trial periods. Integrations. Since our last review, the number of integrations for Freshdesk and Zendesk has increased. Right now, Freshdesk supports about 500 apps from the Freshworks marketplace. You can choose applications from various categories as agent productivity, e-commerce, issue tracking and alerts, bots and workflows, and others. Zendesk support integrates with over 2,000 apps from different categories like productivity and time tracking, collaboration, analytics and reporting, channels, and more. While both help desk solutions continue to broaden their capabilities, Zendesk still has more apps to offer. Pros and cons. Let's take on a customer hat and look at Freshdesk and Zendesk. Longtime Freshdesk users value the platform for such benefits as excellent gamification features, reasonable prices, powerful analytics, and automations. Still, they enlist such drawbacks as slow bag fix, fewer reporting capabilities, and lack of integrations. Speaking about Zendesk, users outline such advantages as good integration options, detailed reporting, multiple brands, and customization options. But they point out such disadvantages as high price tag, advanced features only in higher pricing tiers, lacking change and asset management. Both Freshdesk and Zendesk have added some changes to their UI and pricing tiers. They have also upgraded and included several useful features, extended the number of supported apps. Freshdesk's interface remains easy to use. Zendesk's interface is fully packed up with options, so it's hard to decide where to start. As for the pricing, Freshdesk has moderate pricing plans. Zendesk's pricing is comparably higher than Freshdesk, but it's a fair price for the platform's capacities. However, Zendesk still wins over Freshdesk with a bigger number of features and supported integration. If you need a help desk for enterprise, then Zendesk is a good option. Freshdesk is usually a go-to-help desk platform for small and middle-sized businesses. Anyway, no matter which help desk solution you choose, help desk migration will transfer your data automatically.